This is the Lucid Press tutorial created by Rachel Florence. There are several ways you can find Lucid Press. You could do a search for the keyword Lucid Press and you will find the website listed. Or what you can do is go to the App Store. And because I use Google Chrome, I just went into the web store, searched Lucid Press, and downloaded it for free on my computer. Before I log in this way, I'd like to show you the other way. So when you arrive at the Lucid Press homepage, you'll come up with a page that looks like this. It shows a tablet with the paper in it, or the Lucid Press in it. There's a video that will explain Lucid Press within 60 seconds, and there's a sign up and an opportunity to try the demonstration. Scrolling down the page, it gives you some options of what it's very good for. For print, and this will be very reminiscent of the Microsoft publisher. It shows you how well it works with digital products such as smartphones and tablets, as well as the ability to use collaboration and share with those close to you or far away. And Lucid Press really is easy from the start. Just a few clicks and you'll be on your way. I'm going to log in through my Google account and it will take me to the work that I've already done on Lucid Press. But for today, we're going to start a new document. Before I do though, you can see on the left-hand side, you have an opportunity to create a document, create a folder where you'll hold all your documents. Then it will show recent documents, yours, and as well as the ones you've shared. So today we are going to create a document together. You'll just simply click on that and you will come up with a whole pile of templates. Now, one thing to keep in mind is check way over on the far right. You can choose templates that are specifically for print, templates for your tablet, mobile, or PC, and custom templates. And that would be create your own. In the print template, you will not have the opportunity to insert YouTube videos or scrolling text or picture boxes. Print are for things that you will print out or just want to have just there without the interactive or the motion there. The tablet, mobile, and PC is meant more for your on-the-computer work. So for today, I think what we will do is, because I would like to show you how to insert a YouTube video, we are going to go with the mobile and PC version. So for today, what we're going to do is we're just going to create a blank digital document. There are several opportunities to do all sorts of documents, including reports, invitations, there's flyers, magazines, and the magazines are very interesting, and when you get to that point, I think they make for great classroom work. As well, you can make newsletters, video books, reports, travel, photo, video book. These are things though that are really ideal for tablets, mobiles, and PC. So we're just going to do a blank digital document today. And as it pops up onto the screen, we will see on the left-hand side many of the elements that we can add. We're going to call this Learning Together. If we decide later that isn't a good name for it, we can just go and change that name, but for now we'll leave it. You can see on the left-hand side the opportunity to add many things to our digital document. We can add a page, a scrolling area, where we could put a group of pictures or a bunch of text. We could add a text box, an image, a video from YouTube. We can add shapes, which we can work in, a table, or we can add documents from our Google Drive. Also, on the right-hand side, you can see we can publish our work, and after publishing, we can unpublish and still work on it, and we can share our work with others. And in that way, we can really collaborate with our classroom, with our students, with our co-workers, and with people and classrooms around the country and around the world. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to pop in a text box. And in it comes with a pile of generic text. I think that's pretty much the standard text. If we go over to the side, we see we can do a lot of the things that we just do in our word processor. We can change our font. We can change the size of our font. Oops. Just write a number there, say 26. We can change, oh, only this one only goes like that. But there are some that we could do a bold. We can do that. We can italicize, underline. We can change our alignment to centered and full. Let's leave this to the left. And so what we're going to do for now is we're just going to delete that text out of there. And we're going to put in our new text. And we're going to call our paper Learning Together. Now, this will be our title, and it gives us an opportunity to do lots of different things with our work. So let's just change our font. Put it in Arvo. We'll make our font maybe 45. So we might have to stretch out our box a bit so we can have it all on one line. We'll center that. We can change its color. Oh, you know what? I'm going to go with green today just to remind me of spring. And then, oops, we can do something interesting. We can put a warp on it. So here's our option for warp. Just to make it look kind of fancy, we can put it into a wave. Let's see if that'll show up. And here we can, oops, yeah, I think I have to highlight that first. Oh, there it is. We can put it in a little wave. We can do it even bigger. Vertical, I guess that's not going to work. Horizontal, we can change that to an arch. A ribbon. But we're going to leave that as a wave. And we'll just calm it down a wee little bit. All right. So there is our title. The next thing I want to show you how to do is we're going to pop in a video. Now, as soon as you pop in the video, it asks you to enter our source. And so what we have to do from there is go to YouTube and choose a previously uploaded video, or choose one of the videos in YouTube. And I have a video there already. So I'm just going to copy. And I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to paste, and okay, and it should insert my video in there. Great, and so now what we have is a video added onto our document that we can just press and play. It'll play for us. I'll show you a little bit later. And we'll put a little shadow underneath it just to give it some depth. All right, I'll just move that over for now to show you how we can insert a scrolling area. So now we've added a scrolling area. This is the visible area, and we're going to edit this scrolling area. We're going to put in an image, and I have these up here already. I'm going to put in, let's try to put in a few images. just some different things to give you an idea. We'll put those images in. Okay, well, now let's see how this is going to work. So first thing I'm going to do is just move the scrolling area over to the side so it doesn't overlap the video. And we've got the video, we'll put it right here. And we can pop in a little, well, let me show you how you can get something from your Google Drive. So you can put in your Google Drive. It will open. Here I will choose an article that I have written. And we will move that down here. And all it does is it just brings it in very much like it would from your word processor. And you will see it there. And I'll just pop this up here and this down here. Now the scrolling area, we've got our layout, we've got our page. Now let's just publish, see how it looks published. All right, and we'll do that. It gives you an opportunity to share, to publish, and embed. This way, we'll be able to have a look at what the online version looks like. Lucid Press is a great opportunity to work with a publishing document that's very similar to Microsoft Publisher, but has the extended features of adding your video as well as using those scrolling textbooks. Now, one important thing you're going to need to know is that educational accounts are free to K-12 educators and students. These are called team accounts. First, you're going to sign up with an educational address and then request your free upgrade. That will be done by the next day, most often. Let's have a look at how our document turned out. This is actually quite a quick process. All right, so let's take a look at this. Now I could share this link with you, and if I did, you would be able to come and have a look at it. And if I signed you up to share it with me, you would be able to do that as well. So there is our scrolling pictures that we can see from the scroll area. We can play our YouTube video right on this shared document together.
Sasquatch? That's a funny word. Crackoon! Howoo! Shwoop! Whoop!
You've probably seen enough of that. And you can add all your writing in from Google Drive. Obviously, Lucid Press is a powerful publishing tool and worth learning lots about. I hope you enjoyed. Get started learning with Lucid Press.